Notice what I'm doing today. I'm starting out my day with do what I didn't do yesterday first. So all the stuff, I have some of it checked, some of it I don't. But this needs to be done first before I start going to a new list. I only put a couple of things on the new list. But all this needs to be done first before I can go down to the next list. So that's what I do if I don't get something finished the first day. I bring it down to the next day and say, do yesterday's work first. So I need to finish doing that. And I should get these. I only put 2 extra things down, and that might be all I get done today. So that's what I'm going to work on.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on
got a tip for you. These loofahs that you buy, you need to throw them out. I've had this one for a while. I'm going to throw it out. It harbors bacteria. I'm going to quit buying them, and I'm going back to washcloth.
Now, oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good.